Okay students, so now let's move on to the next topic. We will come to know that how the change in supply of the foreign exchange will gonna impact the rate of exchange into the international money market and the domestic currency's value. Clear? So change in the supply of foreign exchange can also be two types. Either there will be increase or decrease. So let's first do increase in supply of foreign exchange. If the supply of foreign exchange increases, what would be its impact? That is also we come to know through this diagram. The same diagram we are preparing. On the OX axis we are representing demand of foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange, and on the OY axis we are representing the rate of exchange. Clear? So we know that demand of foreign currency is downward sloping and supply of foreign currency is upward sloping. This is the existing supply curve, that's why written is here for 1. Clear? This is the equilibrium point and R1 is the rate at which the currencies are being exchanged. Clear? Now if the supply curve increases, it means it will come downward. Clear? This is increase in supply curve. So the curve will shift forward, the curve will shift in the rightward direction, the equilibrium will shift downwards and the rate also decreases. Earlier the quantity was Q, but now the quantity is Q. Clear? Here you can see due to increase in supply, the rate is decreasing and quantity is increasing. Clear? When the supply is being increased, then no doubt quantity will also be increased, but due to more supply than demand, there will be decrease in the prices or the rate of exchange. Clear? So what happens when there is increase in supply? The rate of exchange decreases. The rate of exchange decreases. Instead of R, you may write rate of exchange decreases. How? We have just seen here, due to increase in the supply curve will shift forward, equilibrium will shift also forward, and the rate of exchange decreases and the quantity increases. Clear? So the rate of exchange decreases from R1 to R2, and if the rate of exchange decreases, it will lead to appreciation of domestic currency. Remember, in the earlier video we have done this. If the rate of exchange decreases, means we need less rupees to buy the same $1. So this is appreciation of domestic currency. Means we need now less rupees to buy the same dollar. Means here increase in the value or rise in the value of domestic currency. So this is how the change in supply, if it is increased, then how it is affecting the rate of exchange and how it is affecting the domestic currency. If the supply increasing, then the rate is decreasing, and if the rate of exchange decreases, it leads to appreciation of domestic currency, and appreciation means rise in the value of domestic currency. Means earlier if we were having, we have to spend ₹50 for $1. Then now due to the rate is decreased, we need to spend only ₹40 for the same $1. So the value of Indian rupees have been increased. So this is the impact of increase in supply of foreign exchange. Clear? Now let's move on to the second impact of change in supply, that is decrease in supply of foreign exchange. If the supply of the foreign exchange decreases, then now let's see what will be its impact. The similar diagram we are preparing here. On the OX axis, demand of foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange. Here F means foreign exchange. Clear? Here we are showing the rate of exchange. The rate at which one currency, rupees, is converted into another, that is dollar. This is the demand of foreign exchange and this is supply of foreign exchange. If the supply decreased, then the supply curve will shift backward. The supply curve will shift here. Now this is the new supply curve. It shifted from this curve to this curve. So equilibrium, which was earlier E1, now it is E2. Earlier rate was R1, now the rate is R2. The rate is increased and the quantity is decreased. Clear? If the supply decreases, then the curve will shift backward. Equilibrium point also shifts from E1 to E2 and the rate increases from R1 to R2. Clear? So here if the supply of the foreign exchange decreases, then the rate of exchange, yes, opposite relation. ठीक है, rate of exchange increases. Clear? And we know very well that if rate of exchange increases, then what's its impact on the domestic value? There is a depreciation of domestic currency. Depreciation of domestic currency, and depreciation means fall in the value of domestic currency. Fall in the value of domestic currency means earlier if we were spending ₹50 for buying $1, then now because the rate of exchange is being increased, then now we are spending ₹70 for $1. So this is how the value of rupees is being decreasing. Earlier we were spending less money to buy the $1, but now we are spending more money or more rupees to buy the same $1. So that's why there is depreciation in the domestic currency or fall in the value of domestic currency. So these are the impacts of change into the supply of foreign exchange.